Good morning, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Holidays are here. So what I'm going to do this morning is fix something real easy, and it's called holiday salad. You need a 15-ounce Mandrin oranges, a 20-ounce of chunk pineapple. We're going to use a cup of just flake coconut, a cup of mini marshmallows. When I was in the store, I just picked up the colored ones and I didn't know until I got home that they are strawberry, lemon, lime, orange flavored. So I've never tried it with these, but we're going to do it today. So this is just mini marshmallows and some Cool Whip. Easy, easy. So what we have to do, we have to drain the Mandrin oranges and the chunk pineapple. So we'll drain the Mandrin oranges first. We'll put them here in this bowl. Then I'm going to drain the chunk pineapple. Add that to it. And we're going to add a cup of coconut. Well, that definitely doesn't want to come out. This is just coconut. One cup of coconut. Let's sort of stir this together. And we're going to use 1 cup of these mini marshmallows. I really wanted the color, but I didn't know I was also getting the flavored ones at the time I did it, so, but we'll see how they turn out. We've got 1 cup of the marshmallows. And we're just going to mix this all together. It makes a pretty dish. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope everybody's having a good day. Please join my channel. Subscribe. Please subscribe. And give me your feedback. And we're going to put a cup of Cool Whip. And if you want to measure it out, you can, but after you get it in there and get it stirred up, you may really want more than just a cupful, but we will start with 1 cupful of Cool Whip. think I'm going to add a little bit more marshmallows. Oops. So that's about 1.5 cups marshmallows I've got in here to give it a little bit more flavor, a little bit more color. And this is like anything you make that has marshmallows in it. It may be where you want just a little bit more Cool Whip in it, because the marshmallows will soak up the Cool Whip. That is all there is to this. A cup of Mandarin oranges. A can of Mandarin oranges. A 20-ounce can of chunk pineapple. I put 1.5 cups in of mini marshmallows. Cup of coconut flakes. And I put 1 cup of Cool Whip. I'm going to let it chill, and then we'll have a cool dessert. And it's so easy to fix, and it will really go good with your Thanksgiving meal. It'll give a little flavor, a little coolness to the desserts. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me. Please subscribe. Give me your comments. And happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. And this is your holiday salad.